KiddoGarten.
Hello, let's learn the colors and play some quiz today. The box colors ready to play. This is red. Red. This is orange. Orange. This is yellow. Yellow. This is blue. Blue. This is green. Green. This is black. Black. This is purple. Purple. This is brown. Brown. This is pink. Pink. Nice. Now we will play the quiz. Choose the color for 5 seconds. Choose the brown color.
Yes!
Choose the pink color.
Yes!
Choose the red color.
Yes!
Choose the blue color.
Yes!
Choose the yellow color.
Yes!
Choose the green color.
Yes!
Choose the purple color.
Yes!
Choose the orange color.
Yes!
Choose the black color.
Yes!
Good. Now for the last quiz. Guess the image color. Brown. Blue. Red. Yellow. Purple. Orange. black, green, pink. Nice. Let's call them again. Red, blue, yellow, orange, pink, brown, black, green, purple.
Follow for more education video for kids. Happy to learn and having fun with us.